Today I got an exciting package. I got a DF83 here by Turin Grinders. I'm excited to unbox this. This was one that was sent to returns and then sent to me, so it might be a little dirty when it comes in, so that means you can't fully expect, if you order one, for it to come out the way that this one does. It should be in a little bit better condition, but typically these open box ones are still pretty good quality, and honestly it really doesn't make a difference to me. It gives the burrs a little chance to be seasoned along this. But I'm super excited for this grinder. I was on my way to play some Ultimate Frisbee, so I'm dressed a little differently. And this is a grinder that I've been looking forward to for quite a while, just to kind of get an idea and see that a lot of people are thinking that this is like the end-all home grinder. This is about $700, $600 or $700. And I'm gonna go ahead and put this down on the ground here real quick. There we have the DF83 box. This means it has 83 millimeter flat burrs on there, which is pretty large. They've been known, Turin Grinders, for their 64 flat burr grinder. And here we have the classic dosing cup that you get anywhere with Turin Grinders, a couple extra feet. And we have this nice hopper that is kind of a smoke finish on there. Same one that you'd get with the DF64E, which is the electronic dosing one. And then we have the final piece here. Let's move this box out of the way. And here it is. This is a very heavy and large grinder. So it looks like this has a nice little metal collar on it now, which is a nice little change. I don't know where typically there are bellows with this. This one must have not came with it because it was an open box, or maybe it's somewhere in the packaging, which isn't a big deal. I have a couple sets of bellows laying around anyway, so not a problem for me on not having the bellows. So let's see here. So this one is known to be able to do coarse and fine settings. It's got a nice little wooden lid on here too as well, which honestly it might not even need the bellows. I'm gonna have to mess around with it, but this is a hefty piece of metal here. It seems super strong, super well built. The power cable does come out the side, which to me isn't as big of a problem as it is for others. And I'm just double checking to see if the bellow got caught. Yep, there it is. Okay, here we go. So we have the included bellow is hiding in the package. I figured Joe probably didn't forget that. And we got a nice little extender here on the top of it to put your catch cup in. And if you put those bottom legs on there, it'll sit a little bit more flush. But the paint is nice. This is not vinyl wrapped anymore like the original DF63, 64. And overall, this looks like a really well built grinder. It seems way nicer than the original DF64 that I had, which was a few versions back, because you now have the grind indicator dial on the top of it, and it's painted rather than vinyl wrapped, and it's got wooden accents here. And I don't really know how many people actually use this hopper because it's not a time dosed thing. The DF64E made sense, but this one doesn't personally make sense to me, but I'll let you know kind of how that works out a little later. This is all super nice. You can put a portafilter in here or grind directly into that, and overall I'm super excited for this grinder. It comes in around $700, and you can buy this on Espresso Outlet, or Joe made a new website. Joe is the owner of Espresso Outlet. He made a new website called Turin Grinders, which is where he sells all these. So if you see Turin Grinders on there, it's a real website, and it's a place that you can order the same grinder from the same person with the same great customer service that has been there before. So I do want to do a disclosure. Joe did send this over to me in exchange for a review, and I also do a little bit of contract work for him running some social media. So P.S. follow Turin grinders, and you'll see quite a few photos and quite a few different things about this grinder on there. I also just want to say, if you like this content, please like and subscribe. You want to see more of this, please like and subscribe. I'm really going to push out a lot of content on this, and you'll see it featured in a lot of different ways. And I just want to say a quick thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video.